This is my first real Acro flight, and I still can't believe it's me flying. If you're new to FPV and you feel like Acro is impossible, watch this. What's up everyone, it's Corey with Airbender FPV. Today I'm showing you my first time flying Acro. I'm gonna read a couple comments that pushed me into doing it because honestly, I was feeling like I wanted to just quit. Here's the truth. I tried it the right way. I spent time on a simulator, and I'm not gonna lie, it was real boring. Every time I got on there, I thought I could fly, and then I couldn't fly. At that point, one comment just stuck out to me. Every time I picked up my radio, that comment was in the back of my head. So I did what I always do. I made a few adjustments in beta flight, and I just kept practicing. And then one day, with no warning, just out of nowhere, just like the comment said, it just clicked. It was like my thumbs was talking to my drone and my brain wasn't panicking. So towards the end of the winter storm, I decided to go out to my parents' house. It's in a wide open rural area, kind of place where you're not worried about hitting anything. So I was thinking, this would be the perfect time to take my drone with me. And while I was there, I started thinking about this other comment. So I was like, okay, I'm doing it. We're flying Acro.
Try to do it the right way, staring at the screen late nights, same time going nowhere. Thumbs tied, second guess every flight. They say patience pays off, but time felt slow. Every crash replayed in my head, in my soul. Then I heard that voice in the noise. Keep going, don't fall. Wide open skies calling, something's about to take hold. This is Airbender FPV, learning how to bend the wind. I was stuck, now I'm free. Now I feel it clicking in. From the ground to the sky, no fear in my eyes. This is Airbender FPV. Cold air, open fields, no walls, no lines, just space. Hand steady, heart racing, time slows, grieve, a clean slate. I hear the motors talking, I feel the balance now. Not fighting the machine, we're moving together somehow. Every doubt falls away, every second aligns. I stopped overthinking, started trusting the signs. This is Airbender FPV. Stuck where I was, thinking maybe this ain't for you. Just know I was right there till the moment it broke through. One flight can change everything. One decision, one try. Sometimes you don't find the answer till you finally fly. This is Airbender FPV, learning how to bend the wind from the down to.
And before you know it, I was doing flips, rolls, and I was able to recover. I felt like the drone wasn't fighting me anymore. I'm not a pro, but for the first time, I felt like I was in control. If Acro feels impossible for you right now, just know it can click and it will click if you keep practicing. Even if it's overwhelming you, keep going. If you like this video even just a little bit, hit that like button and subscribe because I'm documenting this whole beginner to better journey in real time. Drop a comment and let me know when Acro clicked for you, or even if it hasn't clicked. Tell me where you're stuck and we'll figure this thing out together. Big shout out to everyone leaving encouraging comments. Your support matters more than you know. This is Airbender FPV, learn to bend the wind one flight at a time.
Bonus round.
felt when he learned to fly.